In this video, we'll be replacing the battery in a Nissan Xterra key fob. All you'll need to get this done is a CR2025 battery and a regular flathead screwdriver. If you want to get one of these batteries online, go check out that first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. What we want to do is look down on the bottom of the device. You can see there's that opening here in the key ring area. Just put your flathead screwdriver into that opening and twist, and the device will start to crack open. You can also do that with a coin, just insert it in and twist. And then you can just pull it apart with your fingers, or if it feels a little bit stuck, you can put the flathead into that opening and just twist and kind of work your way down. There we go. Now I'm going to come over here with the same flathead screwdriver and going in the top corner. There you go. You can see how easy that is. We're just going in the top corner and prying the battery out. Just be gentle, try to get under it and lift it up. Go ahead and take your new CR2025 battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And just push it into place. Make sure that it's sitting flat in there, and then you can just click the two halves of the device back together. There you go. That's all it takes. It's a really easy process. I hope it was easy to follow. I hope it helped you out. If it did, if you liked the video, go ahead and drop us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have you covered here on this YouTube channel as well as over at our website, FobBattery.com.